Hi, my name is Stephen Choi. I want to talk to you about your upcoming defense medical exam. Because you filed a lawsuit claiming personal injuries, the defendant has the right to have you examined by a doctor of their choice. This is not a medical appointment, this is a legal proceeding. And this doctor is not there to help or treat you, he's there to gather information to testify against you should your case go to trial. This doctor was hired by and paid for by the defendant's insurance company. And these doctors are very expensive, often charging $500 an hour or more. And you might ask, why would the insurance company pay so much money to have me examined by one of their doctors? Why don't they just look at my medical records and talk to my doctor? The answer is because the insurance company strongly believes that by having their own doctor examine you, they can significantly lower the value of your claim. And this is how they do it. In 95% of the cases we handle, the defense doctor will render an opinion that is against us. For example, the defense doctor will say, your injury was not caused by this accident, it was caused by a condition you had before the accident. Your knee surgery wasn't caused by this accident, it was caused by the arthritis in your knee that pre-existed the accident. Or the defense doctor will say, your injury wasn't that bad, you didn't need to miss any time from work, you didn't need all that medical treatment, and you certainly don't need the surgery that all your doctors are recommending. In short, the defense doctor will do anything he can to minimize your injury claim. And you might ask, why would he do that? And the answer is, insurance companies hire the same doctors over and over and over. Some of these doctors earn 50, 60, 70% of their income doing medical legal exams. They can earn 100, 200, 300,000 a year doing defense medical exams. And so, as you can see, they have a financial interest in saying what the insurance companies want them to say. Bottom line, the defense doctor is not your friend, he's your adversary, and you should be prepared, and that is the purpose of this video, to prepare you for your defense medical exam. Many clients ask, do I have to go to my exam? Yes, you have to go to your exam, and if you're late or miss your appointment, you might have to pay the doctor's cancellation fee, which could be $1,000 or more. If the date and time for your exam is not convenient for you, let us know immediately. In most cases, we need at least 3 days' notice to change your exam date. Because this is a legal proceeding, our office will send an attorney with you to your exam to make sure the exam is conducted appropriately. If your attorney tells you not to answer a question or not to do something, please take your attorney's advice. In addition, your attorney will tape record the proceedings to make sure the doctor doesn't claim you said something that you really did not say. Now let's talk about what will happen at your exam. Your exam will last about an hour. It'll start with the doctor taking a history from you, meaning the doctor will ask you questions about how your accident happened and what your injuries are. You don't have to answer any questions about how your accident happened because prior to your exam, the doctor will have already obtained a copy of your deposition transcript which contains your version of how the accident happened. You will have to answer questions about your injuries. You'll have to answer questions such as what injuries do you have, where the pain is located, how bad is the pain, how frequent do you get the pain, what you can or cannot do because of your injuries, whether you had a prior injury to the same part of your body. You will have to answer questions such as those. When the history is over, the doctor will then conduct a physical exam on you. You will not have to engage in any type of invasive testing. The doctor will not be able to draw blood from you, stick you with any needles, do any type of x-rays, put anything in your body, no invasive testing. In addition, you will not have to fill out any forms. Now, if you are going to a psychological or psychiatric exam, the rules are a little bit different, and we'll discuss those now. If you're going to a psychiatric exam, you are not allowed to have an attorney present with you. In addition, you will be required to fill out multiple questionnaires. However, we will be allowed to tape record the exam. Now let's talk about what you should do and not do at your defense medical exam. First, you should dress very nicely. Dress as if you're going to a job interview or going to church because you want to make a good first impression. While you're at the doctor's office, be polite, courteous, and cooperative. When discussing your injuries, don't exaggerate your injuries, but don't underestimate them either. Just be honest and truthful. When you're engaging in any type of physical testing, try your hardest because the doctor will be able to tell if you're not. And remember, anything you say can be used against you should this case go to trial. When your exam is over, the doctor will prepare a written report and send it to our office. We will post it on the client portal for you to review. If you have any questions about your defense medical exam, please let us know. Thank you.